Skr YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here with a brand new video. Today we are talking about the top 10 dancehall artists them right now. Shout out to them 3 person yeah. Them I did the first 3 smart if you comment on my last video. So if you want a chance for a shout out, just try being in top 3 on my next video. We not too deep on the chatting, so drop a like before we start. The artist where they are number 10 and Neri. Neri is a talented artist dog, but from what they hear, in views and in thing them a drop. From the time one time my dog a perform and the dog said so I'm box down a girl on stage. From that like the dog views slow down and something. But differently from that the dog bad. I only artists where we listen to where sometimes we not hear nothing at all we must say, but we just listen it same way and regular day. Moving on. The artist with the number 9 right now, a Pablo YG. Rich and leave who care who want rich and me. I never really listen Pablo YG before the song there. That the song they make me know say dog bad. When me I listen the song all if I $20 in my pocket. Rich all if you have 1,000. Me no business boy yo. My 20, no pussy test my 20 in my pocket, no. Rich and no business, who rich on me? Deaf, Pablo YG a bad artist for real people man, take it from me. Moving on, number 8 panelist we got Sken. Yes man, father bad active. You know say Sken bad from me listen gunman shift. The first time I listen that a 2-4 like me a crew around a back. But me not like that, so me said so and take up a piece of board and circle them black, cause them now run them black. But after that the mother fall did a run me down and me said so and just run go in and lock up in my house. Could catch me, regular day. Moving on, the artist with their number 7, a Valiant. You just can't know say this a man did a bright boy when time him a go to school. If you really listen to dog song them, Valiant song they well put together. Me no know that, but come like about 24 subject this a man you have. Every song I listen for him and dog a bare words. Some of the time I hear can't keep up dog. Dog tough for true man, one Valiant. Moving on. The artist with the 6 panelists are Raja Wild. Apart from being a menace to society, this gentleman is a very good artist. Remember when time Raja Wild and Baker they drop a tune named LV Raisin at this dog? Not tell no lie dog, he plays the guitar to fuck a real LD race brother. Like him and then drop a song today, by tomorrow whole Jamaica ball for eat. To a place the at me dog a piece of ice me type on me fan back. See if me can make AC, that alone could have helped me. But differently still the dog a bad artist. Dog drop a bumbo clad song where the dog say, man I seen I saw the beats of a black. Light one candle for reach pan it. What's a full black me a wear? Man I seen I saw the beats of a black. Light one candle for reach pan it top. Raja Isle tough for real that. Raja Wild tough for real dog, no cap. Before me tell you the number 5, make sure you drop a like on the video if you don't drop a like yet. Number 5 we got Craft. Despite having a big mouth, Craft a bad artist. The dog mouth big, but a beer lyrics come out there. Nah make fun of the dog man, but differently, the dog a take time to turn one monster in a dancehall. The dog a do it little by little, step by step, you see it? Every song for the dog, it just a get better and better dog, you see pre? Mostly the people them will hustle this Craft. Mostly people them with the hustler mindset. Go get and me have to get this done, have to get this bag, me have to rich. Yeah man, them people there. Chasing for the dollar. Me not going no more. Moving on, next artist. The artist with the number 4 right now, a Chronicler. You can't make a top 10 dancehall list and Laa Boss no the panic. If you know see Laa Boss funny, a joke thing. Number 4, Laa Boss. Laa Boss are the most influential artist in the dancehall right now. No boy can't tell me nothing. The reason why I say so dog, you ever meet somebody who listen Laa Boss or you ever meet one Laa Boss fan? The people them paranoid you fuck. If you ever meet somebody who listen Chronicler music or is a fan of the artist himself, them not trust nothing and them not trust nobody. Them not trust me, them not trust you, them probably not even trust themselves. What the fuck? But differently still Laa Boss a bad artist, you can't too friendly, you can't too trust people neither. That the man I tell you have to just listen, observe and look, you know. The artist where they are number 3 right now, a 450. 450 grow as an artist, a fret dog. From me listen to dog song when name Live and Learn, me know say dog get mad. Mount that thing the dog say in a song, dog you have to just sit down and pray. The dog say, hold on. Dog say, like the dog say, reap enough good and I still fuck me reap. Why dog you even think about that? If you done so now go get it, but I swear go me understand you. Nothing to feel shamed about, okay? 450 music not really make for dance people, you see pre. The artist where they are number 2 right now are Valiant. Everything where Valiant put him on pan, it on gold. Nah like dog go on good in our music this year. First piece of banger where dog drop a shell up a place a St. Mary. That the song they make me know him. And if the client not pay me, we drive gone down a St. Mary. And number 1, the last one, the artist with the number 1 right now in a dancehall, a Massacre. Whether you disagree or not, a Massacre man right now in a dancehall. If you disagree with me dog, you just good not have no sense. Every artist get them time, but now a Massacre time. Whether you have somebody else time, now I dog they are number 1. Whether you like it dog or not, I just the truth. Me not say this with no bias intention dog. Right now if you telling me the truth, Massacre is not my artist. My artist are alkaline, brother. But a Massacre are the thing I know. You have to just give dog the props when deserve. You see it? Yes, people, but I hate that for your video. Make sure you don't drop a like if you don't reach so far. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. We're so active. For now, we are post some comedy skit plus some of them videos you know. You see it? So activity in our later in our next video. You see it pre later.